Hi, Jacqueline Grant here. I'm so excited to share with you my system for creating your own information products based on the knowledge and experience you already have and sell it on Amazon without worrying about marketing, shipping, and customer service. Plus, if you just want to sell other people's products, my system covers that too. I'll show you step by step how I created my first product and started having sales within the first week. You see, I'm passionate about helping entrepreneurs monetize their knowledge from multiple streams of income. I've done it, and I show you, while you're looking over my shoulder, how you can do it too. When I was laid off from a director of marketing position and lost my only source of income, I created products from the knowledge and experience I already had to start a new business. Within 3 months, I had the down payment from my sales of my product to begin looking for a house to purchase and moved in 6 months later. The funny thing is, each product I put the time in to create just once, but the sales recur and continue to this day. My products don't take long to create, but they pay me back in sales over and over again. I'll show you just how to determine your product or find someone else's to sell. If you're a busy professional who wants to generate additional business income quickly on a recurring monthly basis with your own audiobook, ebook, print book, course, workshop, seminar, or your own unique product idea, the Create Your First Info Product for Amazon Profits shows you how to do it step by step. Never be in fear of losing your main source of income again. With the safety and security of the monthly recurring info from your info products, you will be in control of your time, your money, and your destiny. Which of your skills, talents, and abilities would you like to automate with recurring sales through Amazon while you sleep? It's easier than you think. Click the yellow button below for details now, and I'll see you on the inside.